Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. If you're shopping for a modern outdoor sofa, you might be wondering, what's the best material for me to choose? Well, today we're putting three top contenders under the microscope: Polylumber, Teak, and Resin Wicker. Let's start with Polylumber. This recycled plastic lumber is insanely durable and weather-resistant. We're talking no cracking, splitting, or rotting. It can even stand up to salty air. Plus, it's a breeze to maintain. Just hose it down and you're good to go. The downside? It can get a bit hot in direct sun. Next up, Teak. This tropical hardwood is a longtime favorite in the outdoor furniture biz. It's naturally resistant to moisture and insects, crazy strong, and can last 50+ years if well cared for. Our favorite brands like Harmonia Living only use certified sustainably sourced teak, so you can feel good about its eco-impact. Teak ages gracefully, developing a sophisticated silvery patina over time. But just keep in mind, it needs regular cleaning and oiling to stay in tip-top shape. And finally, you have Resin Wicker. This is a seriously stylish and surprisingly eco-friendly option, often made from recycled plastics. It comes in a range of colors and weaves to suit any design taste. And like Polylumber, it's pretty weather-resistant and easy to clean, though maybe not quite as strong as Polylumber. So which patio sofa material reigns supreme? Honestly, it depends on your priorities. Want maximum durability and minimal upkeep? Go Polylumber. Crave natural beauty that lasts a lifetime? Grade A Teak's your jam. Seeking style variety and earth-friendly materials? Resin Wicker for the win. For an even deeper dive, check out the link in the description to our comprehensive guide comparing luxury outdoor sofa materials. And don't forget to visit patioproductions.com for the best in modern outdoor living. Thanks for watching and happy lounging!